So we are climbing that. You ready? Let's go. Making my way downtown on the edge of a cliff. I mean mountain. Ooh, ooh. Trees and trees and trees and trees and trees. It's very cold. Not quite Australian weather, is it? Pretty paying spot to have a pint. So yeah, that's Christchurch behind me. Don't know whether you can see it. And this down here is where we spent last night. It's called Littleton, and it's a quiet spot. I'd seriously recommend it because it's so beautiful. It's a beautiful harbour, lovely coastal walk that we did last night, and found a cool spot to chill and sleep the night. And then we met this, she was an earthquake refugee. I don't know from which earthquake it was. Last night she said, guys, if you're going to stay here, please clean up. And obviously we were going to clean up. So I was very kind, I was like, yes, of course, we'll clean up for you. I mean, we've got to look after the environment anyway. And then she went and parked up and then decided to invite us round for breakfast and a shower. Quite funny, but I hadn't had a shower in 2 days. Breakfast and a shower. 3 days. Breakfast and a shower the next morning at 8. So she showed me her property. She owned sheep. She was I'm guessing she was 75. 75-year-old lady from not Staines, near Maidstone. And because I'm just south of Croydon, she wanted to invite us over for breakfast, so that was really nice of her. So she showed me a plot of land. She farms sheep, even though she's 75 years old. And a couple of days ago, actually, she'd had 8 sheep that she had specially bred over a period of 3 years, stolen and replaced by some pretty crap sheep. That's how she put it. So yeah, saw the life of an earthquake refugee at the age of 75.